Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add music to Canva video. To add music to a video in Canva, first of all launch open the Canva application and log into your account. Once you're logged into Canva, go ahead and click on Create a Design and select a video, or you can also open up an existing video project from your designs. Once you open up your design and once you have the video uploaded on the screen, go ahead and tap on the Elements button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the Elements tab, click on Music at the top and you will be able to see the list of musics you can add onto your video. For free users, you can access a limited selection of free music or upload your own tracks. Whereas for pro users, you can get access to a larger premium music library. Select the music you would like to add to your video and then tap on it. Once you select the music, it will be added onto your device's preview timeline. You can then go ahead and adjust the music that you just added. Drag from the corner of the music timeline in order to position it where you want. You can also press and hold it and drag it along the area you want to add within your music. You can also adjust the volume of your music by tapping on the music layer and then scrolling down, click on the speaker button and then adjust the volume by dragging this little white dot. Once you are done, you will be able to add music to one of your video. Click on the play button to preview your video with the music. When satisfied, you can share or download your design onto your device's camera roll. So that is how you add music to Canva video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.